Hello and welcome viewers. Have you ever wondered why the world's largest lungs, the Amazon rainforest, are under threat today? Global temperatures are rising, glaciers are melting, and climate change is disproportionately affecting poor and developing nations. Why, to avoid this danger, world leaders are gathering in Brazil in November 2025. It's not just another conference. It's test of the world collective will. In today's video, we will explore what COP30 is and its major dimensions. So let's get into it. Conference of the Parties, COP. This is the 30th session of COP to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, scheduled for November 2025 in Brazil. This location places the Amazon rainforest, a critical global ecosystem, at the center of the climate discussion. COP30 is set to address critical areas based on the six thematic pillars of its action agendas, like energy, industry, transport, forest, ocean, biodiversity, agriculture, and food system. It will also include cities, infrastructure, and water. Discussions will also be on human and social development. As COP30 is highly significant for India, so now let's get into its details. One of the most crucial things is that it is an opportunity for India to lead the global south in climate negotiations and shape global climate policy. India advocates for equity, upholding the principle of common but differentiated responsibilities under the Paris Agreement. This stance emphasizes that historically large polluters should bear a greater responsibility for climate finance and technology transfer. India is focusing on enhancing cooperation through multilateral and bilateral formats, continuing its legacy of launching initiatives like Indian Solar Alliance and the Coalition for Disaster Resilience Infrastructure. With its G20 presidency legacy and strong climate action, India is well positioned to be a voice for developing countries, bridging the divide between the global north and the global south. At last, in the nutshell, we can say India will be the pivotal player at COP30, aiming to balance ambitious domestic climate action with its role as a leader for the global south. The conference offers India as a critical platform to advocate for adaptation, finance, and climate justice, alongside the submission of its key updated nationally determined contribution.